Hi, Benjamin parents and students. This is Mrs. Morgan, and I teach sixth grade science. Um, and I have a third, fourth, and 3, 4 ILAR, and then 5, 6, or 7th period science. So I'm going to talk about science, and I see every sixth grader. I'd also like to say how wonderful the last 3 days have been, at least on my end with the Zoom meetings. I know that there's been some problems out there with the internet, but on my end, it's been working really well. The students have been showing up and participating, and we've tried different programs on Canvas. We've done some grouping. I've used a new program called Kami where the kids can write on the assignment in Canvas and turn it in. We're also been using Google Slides. I've been trying to get them outside in science to use their device to take some pictures, and they're going to do a nature hunt, and that's due on Tuesday. If you are having internet problems, please contact me. There's also 2 other ways in the day during study hall and a check for understanding at the end of the day if they miss class. They can always stop back in. I've had a couple of students already do that, and then I just went over the lesson really quickly with them in a study hall class, and that worked out really well. We're going to be starting with ecology and the environment, and they should have gotten this book here. There's 2 workbooks they probably got. The first one we're starting with is the green one. It is also online. We practiced getting online today. They had to go through Power School first, and then they were able to click on the link on my Canvas page. In ecology and environment, we will be looking at biomes, biotic, abiotic, adaptations, population, environmental issues, and biodiversity. They started this week with labeling and naming worldwide problems, and we've been doing some discussion in science this week. So we'll be continuing that. We'll also be looking at graphing, measurement, astronomy, energy, fresh and saltwater, groundwater, gravity, pressure, friction, the scientific method. They took up a little pre-quiz on Canvas. It doesn't count. It's just to see what they know about the scientific method from last year. We will be continually studying the scientific method and using that for a lab write-up, an exclusive lab write-up. Phases of the moon, history of NASA, and hydroponics. I hope to continue this year, even though it is remotely. We had such a great time doing it last year, so I'm going to try to figure something out how we can do the hydroponics in a remote setting. So a lot of research. I'm looking forward to meeting your children in person, but we've had, I think, it's been working well for what we have going on right now. Once again, if you need to get a hold of me, just use my email. And for those that would like to, I have a little homework assignment for you. If you'd like to tell me a little bit about your child in a million words or less, write me. You can write me an email if there's some information that you would like to share, or about his or her personality, maybe something that you know that I'm not going to see through the screen. Usually I get a better understanding of how each student works when you're in person with them. So maybe you'd like to share something with me that maybe I wouldn't catch. Feel free to. It's not graded. It's not due. But if you would like to, I just want to put that out there. I will thank you, and I'll see you soon.